Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. This is just a quick video to introduce myself and tell you about my artist journey. Mainly this video is for the Milan Art Institute Mastery Program casting call. I wanted to start a YouTube channel and I had a sort of thought about it, but I put it off. I'm so fortunate that I got an opportunity for the Milan Art Institute casting call. That's why today I am making this video. Hi, my name is Diksha. I am from Punjab, India. I am pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Nursing and I am an artist by birth. That's funny. I love to participate in coloring, sketching, drawing competitions from my childhood and won so many prizes and medals, but I didn't give priority to my art and I just took admission in BSc Nursing. I didn't know what I wanted to do in my life and I didn't know what was my purpose in my life. But one day I was just scrolling my Instagram feed and I got to know about Milan Art Institute. I was so much inspired by Ali Milan and Dimitra Milan that I searched all about them, watched all their YouTube videos, attended their live sessions and listened to all their podcasts. All these things enlightened a desire in my heart, and my heart was saying to me, you could be an artist, you can do it too. So I just starting to listen to my heart and decided to do things that makes me happy. From that day I got a purpose in my life and I started to create by myself. I would not be able to create by myself if I would not read the book Still Like an Artist suggested by Ali. In my school times, I got so many compliments about my art, but it didn't give me real happiness because I knew that those work were mere imitations of others' work and were not creations of mine. I never ever imagined that I would be an artist and I will sell too. But today I am selling and creating my paintings. That's a big thing for me and I feel so proud of it. All I credit to Ali and my dedication toward my work. I was so crazy at the time that I used to paint whole the day and nights when my family members used to sleep, and I also learned to use oils by myself. Do you know what? I also used to paste my sheets on Almira and used Almira as my easel and spoiled the Almira, and my family members were so fret with that. But after few months I got an easel from my cousin Dinky and I also got a commission for the Buddha's painting. My customer was so happy with that painting and I got more confident about my skills and I just started to explore myself, and from that I have been painting from 2020 now, side by side with my nursing graduation. Studio is my hostel room where I am living now, and I forgot to tell you about Milan Art Conference that I won in a giveaway. Well, you will not believe that there were only 2 persons who won that giveaway and I was one of them. Actually, it's another story behind this giveaway, that it was not me who won that conference, it was my friend Navjot who won that conference, to whom I mentioned in the giveaway, but later she gave it to me because I wanted it so heartedly that it came to my door. I'm so grateful for this opportunity and all I want is little more frills to my skills and to my art. I want to pursue mastery program from the day I knew about it, but due to currency problem in India, I wasn't able to afford. But hopefully I'm going to get it now because because I desperately want to have mastery program. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next video for the mastery program vlog. Bye bye for now.